Now is the theme 13.2 volume of cones that corresponding or math 8th grade. We begin with explore activity, modeling the volume of a cone. Then we're going to answer the step 1, 2, and 3. Okay. What is the formula for the volume of a cylinder with a base B and a height H? The step 1, the answer is B equal BH that we saw in 13.1. Step 2. Then what is the what is the area of the base? Then the base is equal B, or in this case is P R square. Now the step 3. Sandy found then when the bases and height are the same. Step 3. Then it is 3 times the volume of a cone. It's equal to the volume of a cylinder. Step 4. The volume of the cone now is volume of the cone is 1/3 of a volume of a cylinder. Now you can answer the reflect on page 405. We continue with example 1. Finding the volume of a cone using a formula. Now you check the purple square on page 406, and then we're going to answer it. Here is example 1. Okay. Now, step A, we have a cone like this. Now we have the height and the radius. The height is 8 inches and the radius was 2 inches. If you saw in the purple square, we obtained the formula of a cone. There is 1/3 PR square height. Now we substitute the values. We obtain, remember that P is 314, the radius was 2, and the height is 8. Sorry, it's 2 square. Now we obtain B 1/3, 3 and 4 times 8. Now the answer is 33.5 inches cubic. That is the answer of example 1, step A. Now we continue with step B. I'm going to erase this. Now this is step B. Okay, now we have a cone. We have the height. It's going to be 9 feet. And now we have the diameter. The diameter is 8 feet. We have this case. First we're going to find the radius of the circle. We have the radius, it's equal to diameter divided by 2. The diameter in this case is 8 divided by 2, then it's going to be 4. Now we substitute that value on the formula. Remember that the formula, it's B equal 1/3 P R square H. In this case, it's B equal 1/3 P is 314. The radius is 4 square and the height is 9. Then we have B 1/3 3.14 4 squared is 16 times 9. Now the volume is 150.7 feet cubic. Now you can answer reflect on page 406 and your turn on page 407. I'm going to erase this. Now we have example 2. Finding the volume of a volcano. That's an example that we're going to use the formula, and we're going to learn in this class to obtain a real-world problem answer. We're going to read page 407, the example 2. For her geography project, Karen built a clay model for a volcano in the shape of a cone. Her model has a diameter of 12 inches and a height of 8 inches. Find the volume of the clay and her model. To the nearest stand, use 3.14 for P. Now, step 1. We want to find the radius because we have the diameter. Then remember that the radius it's equal to diameter divided by 2. Now here is 12 divided by 2, then it's going to be 6 inches. Now the step 2. We substitute in the formula P equal 1/3 P R squared H. B is equal 1/3 P. The radius is going to be 6 squared and the height is 8 inches. We want to obtain B is equal 1/3 P 36 8. Now we have P equal 301.44 inches cubic. Then you're going to be able to answer your turn on page 407, guided practice page 408, and independent practice page 409 until the problem 18.